Alright, so our requirements is ice cream stick, color paper, and a glue. So what we're going to do today is a popsicle tissue holder. So again, it's me, Sophie, and let's go. So first, let's get a different color of popsicle stick. So for this one, I choose the green. Using a glue, let's stick the popsicles together. So like this. And then using 4 stick, let's shape into a triangular. Let's make a triangle shape. Put the glue like that. Just follow the video, okay? Alright, so we have now a triangular shape popsicle stick. And then let's put a glue at the bottom like that, so that our popsicle stick will hold and stand. So let's do the same on the other side. Okay, make sure that you have enough popsicle glue. And if you don't have like this, you can use a big coin, so you can have a perfect circle shape. And using a scissor, just cut it out and get a pen and draw a face. You can draw a smiley face much better. So like this, just put a smiley face on it. Okay, like that. Just continue to do it, okay? And follow the video. And kids, to watch more of my videos and to be updated on my latest craft, just simply click on the subscribe button. You may also check the description box below for our website, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Alright, so I stick the face on our popsicle tissue holder. So let's do another one. This one, we're gonna do a different shape, but still the same, a popsicle tissue holder, okay? So for this one, I choose a color blue popsicle sticks and using a purple and the combination of yellow. So I stick this popsicle like that. So just continue to do it, okay? And make another one like this. So combination of violet and yellow. But you can also choose a different color that you want, okay? So we have now 2, and let's put a glue and let's put some small circles for additional design like that. Put that. So for this one, I choose color silver. So you can choose your color that you want. And then like we did earlier, let's put a glue at the bottom. Alright, like that. And the other side. Okay. So we're almost done. Okay, make sure that the popsicle stick properly, okay? And ta-da! We have a popsicle tissue holder. So I hope you enjoy this one, and let's go and move to our second craft. Kids, so this is our second craft, a tissue doll. So first, let's get a cardboard and then roll. Using a glue, let's stick our cardboard. Alright, so then set aside. using a tissue paper, let's fold into lengthwise like that and cut using a cutter. And kids, make sure that you have someone adult, your brother, your sister beside you while doing this, okay? And so let's put a glue on our cardboard and covered it using our tissue. So like that. Okay, make sure that you put a lot of glue. And then using a googly eye, let's stick it in the middle like that. Then using another tissue, let's fold it and cover the side of our tissue doll. Alright, gently pressed and make sure that all the spaces have a glue. So other side. So we're almost done. So it's looked like a mummy, right? So at the head, let's put another layer of tissue. Roll. Then glue again. Okay, and we're almost done. So we are now at the bottom part. Make sure that you have a lot of glue because you'll be needing a lot of glue for this craft. Okay. Alright, double check the sides. And final tissue. Alright, and ta-da! We have a tissue doll. I hope you enjoy our 2 craft kids. See ya! Bye!